Imagine this, you can sidecast to and watch as a sailfish eat your fly up close and literally take off to the horizon.
It's coming. It's coming. Cast. Ah, big shot. See. No, straight. Oh, coming. Leave it. Okay, strip. Oh, it's coming. Stop. Okay, strip. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Jesus.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Your finger, right?
Yeah, that was mental. That was so fast. I just knew if I tried to hold on to that, I was going to tear my fingers apart. I just let it go.
So that one, it came here, made a U-turn, right?
Yeah,
Smash on
absolutely smashed it. Yeah, I was just everything was going so fast. I just couldn't. I just thought if I try to hold this, it's going to take my hand off.
Yeah. Really recording up here. Oh! Why? Keep it tight. Whoa! Look like a bigger fish, this one. Oh! Wine quick. Oh, yes. Alright. Oh, this is a bigger fish. Nicer fish. Let me get the fly off.
Wow, that is a bigger one, eh?
Well done. Good one. That was a fantastic.